quién sabe. What's up, Morras and Morros? Welcome to our channel. Now, welcome back to our channel. Alright, so for today's channel, we are going to be bringing back the sneezing challenge part 4. Guys, we can't be as loud as we like to because we're in a public area and we're actually in Austria, guys.
Okay.
If you're wondering what Austria looks like, well, this is it. This is not a green screen. I normally like to put cute green screens in my videos, but this is the real deal. We're here to do the sneezing challenge, and I saw other videos. You guys were tagging us in hella videos, and all they did was just stick a Q-tip up their nose. A ver si no me saco un moco, güey. Ya lo siento. Me saqué la sangre, güey. Let me use the other side. This is very ticklish. Güey, nomás me estoy sacando la sangre. This is... It's just ticklish. And bro, you know what's funny? I literally sneezed on the way here. And then I told him, I was like, dude, save it for the video. But I was like, bro, you think like I asked for this? This is so funny. Like, it's like somebody's in there tickling my nose. It's just so ticklish and I'm just getting blood out. Dude, nomás me estoy sacando la sangre, güey. Let me, Güey, ya me embarré de sangre, güey. Do you have a Kleenex for me? I guess. Thank you. Me embarré de sangre, no de mocos. Vean lo que hago por ustedes. Por ustedes le estoy sacando la sangre. I really hope it works this time. I swear our
Sneezes are very camera shy.
This is safe to sit on, right? I don't want it to fall backwards. We fall into the lake, bro. Güey, yo nomás me estoy sacando la sangre. ¿Por qué tengo sangre? I don't understand the science behind this. Do you have tweezers? So I can when I tweeze my mustache, it makes me sneeze, but it's not working out. Like, I can't go that deep, bro.
That's what she said.
No, just pure blood on your side. Literally, straight up blood, bro. I can't go that deep because, oh my god, me too. Damn. Ya llegó la gente, güey. Yo no puedo. Alright, well, guys, we really tried. We're gonna see if I can do it in the room with the plucker.
Sneeze not to get barrosa. Wait, is that the spider right here?
Oh shit, it is.
Do you get it?
Do I wanna get it? Do you wanna get
Bro,
it?
it's tiny. It's barely anything. Y'all see that little dot right there?
Oh my god.
That Maria's scared of?
Oh, and you're not, bro?
I...
Bring me a
let's just...
chancla.
Look, here, let me just kill it. Oh, look, it's walking.
What's going on, bro? Oh, why is there spiders here? I'm just kidding. We're in the middle of a forest, bro. Helps
He's
me
leaving.
Let me see if tweezing my mustache area helps me sneeze.
Alright,
So let's get started. No sé si se pueden ver los pelos, pero ahí están.
It's pretty dark. Let me bring a ring light.
Ok, los veo mejor, güey. A ver, ni me los aquí.
La araña ya se fue.
Damn, dude.
You're not sneezing.
I know.
Okay, how about you pluck one from your nose?
That's scary.
Yeah, well, I think that should get you sneezing.
What if you try
Try what?
doing your mustache?
Okay.
Why is it just me?
All right. Right.
Ow.
¿Qué no son los de más cerca de la nariz?
De veras, ¿verdad? Okay, bro. Are you trying to have them inside my mouth or something?
Listen, we have to get all the details here.
Ow.
Keep going. Just do it.
Okay, I got a couple. I don't know if you can see them.
Oh, yes, we can.
So it's not like I'm not trying, okay, guys? I'm just sneezeless at the moment. What if I stick my fingernail?
Okay, go. Tickle.
You want to sniff my underwear?
If your underwear.
Don't show
those.
them. I got it, but I didn't sneeze. Okay, guys, last try, right?
Last try because
I'm running out of ideas here. Okay, we're just gonna roll this up like really tiny, like so. Oh wait, what am I doing? I think it has to be like this. Okay, here goes nothing. I was rolling mine up like so. It's gonna be really long. Here, really long. Oh. Feels itchy for sure. Voy a ver. No puedo, güey. Ah, okay, let's do a thumbnail. Alright guys, you know we tried. This is part 4 of us trying the sneezing challenge and we keep failing. We came back inside because Mir was a little camera shy in there.
Listen,
out there.
bro, there was somebody down there like
All I got to
all we accomplished was sonándole los mocos, mira.
a runny nose. I wish I was a sneeze coming with it, but this is my nose also is very dry out here.
I literally sneezed before we made it, like 2 minutes before to our destination, bro.
And that was it. That was the last sneeze we had.
Me, not you.
Guys,
that is it for today's challenge. I know we disappointed, but hey,
we showed up. We're in the middle of our vacation
and we showed up.
Which is what matters.
Yes.
Alright guys,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Peace out.
Peace out.